Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically favorite elements on CapCut PC, like materials like such as audio and I think stickers as well, effects, and even some text effects. Some you can't favorite though, so let's go through these elements and see. If you go to audio here, as you can see, you can favorite these audios by pressing the start button, and it will go to the very top of your favorites list and it will create this favorites tab. On text, I think you can favorite text templates and you can favorite text effects as well by pressing the start button. It also works for stickers, and I think it works for effects as well. Although it doesn't work for video transitions and filters, it works for the first 4 of these elements and you can favorite them and save them, and it will just make editing a lot easier if you favorite your effects, so you'll know where it is. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!